Ready to learn a new idiom today? I've got a good one for you.
Welcome to Cave of Idioms. This episode, Break the Ice. Have you ever felt nervous when meeting new people? That's the perfect time to break the ice. Let's see what happens with our caveman friend and the wise man.
I don't know what to say. This is awkward.
Don't worry. You just need to break the ice.
Break the ice? You want me to smash real ice with my club?
No, not realize.
I know. I'll break the ice.
Not like that. I meant start with a friendly question or say something nice. It's just an expression. It means to make the situation less awkward by starting a conversation. To break the ice means to make people feel comfortable when meeting for the first time. For example, you could say, "Hey, that's a nice fur coat you're wearing."
Oh. So I just need to talk, not smash things?
Exactly.
Now let's see what happens when they meet new people.
Hi. Do you like rocks?
See? You broke the ice. Look, you hit it off. That means you quickly became good friends.
Yeah, we both like collecting shiny rocks.
Wow, we really did hit it off.
And now you got the ball rolling. That means you started something, like a conversation or an activity.
So when I started talking, I got the ball rolling?
Exactly. And now everyone is talking.
At first, meeting people can feel awkward, but over time, you warm up to someone.
At first, I wasn't sure about you, but now I feel comfortable.
Yeah, I'm warming up to you too.
See? That's another useful idiom.
So, let's recap. Today you learned these idioms. Break the ice. Hit it off. Get the ball rolling, and warm up to someone. You can use these idioms in real life too. For example, at school, you might break the ice by asking a new classmate about their favorite game. You can hit it off with someone who loves the same music as you. You get the ball rolling when you start planning a trip with friends. And you warm up to someone after spending time together.
So, next time you meet someone new, remember these idioms.
Try them out, and you'll hit it off with people too.
Which idiom was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun English lessons.